settle in, grab some popcorn, and come with me. Cut. I was like, let's do something a little bit different. Oh, yep, that'll work. And we will start with the first car that is closest to me being this brand spanking new Tesla Model 3 Performance. So you're gonna start seeing these coming out now. I've noticed quite a few of the performances have started hitting the roads. This one has come to us for almost the works. So it's getting a stealth paint protection film conversion.
I said
that in the completely wrong order. A PPF stealth conversion, Expel Stealth, going over all the white surfaces. It's getting ceramic coating, window tint, interior coating, and wheel coating as well, I think. Now, if we pan to my right, you'd have seen this one on the last video. This is now complete. So this Defender 110, this is a Defender 110, has had the full sides and the front end covered in our gloss paint protection film. That is it. Ready for going off-road, a bit of bush bashing and things like that. No pinstripes. Right here, I can't remember if this would not have been in our last video because I only just arrived. Beautiful V10 Audi R8. Stunning metallic blue, this one. This has come in for a front end paint protection film package and the rear bumper. So whole front end from here forward and the rear bar as well. If we move along this way, you'd have seen this in the last one and probably one before as well. Stealth conversion is now complete, waiting for its owner to collect. So this one had stealth conversion, gloss black PPF applied to the roof as well, interior coating, and of course, window tint applied 20% all around. Looking schmick. Let's keep going for a bit of a walk. Now this is a very cool one. Sterrato number, geez, this is testing my memory. I think we've only done two or three. Anyway, this is actually Lamborghini Brisbane's current demonstrator. So if you're around and you want to see a Sterrato, it will probably be at Lamborghini Brisbane for you to take a look at. Now this car is completely gloss black. Of course, what will we do to it? A stealth conversion, right? So stealth conversion on most of the vehicle. We've left quite a few areas gloss. So the diffuser section, the lower side skirts, the over fenders, which on most of the Sterratos are actually a matte black finish. This one is basically the inverted version of a standard one. Satin black everywhere else, gloss black on the over fenders and a few other accents. Moving down the line, since we're facing this way, the Spyder RS. You'd have seen this in the last video as well. This is now almost complete. So all the PPF has been applied to the vehicle. Windows have been tinted as well. It has been, hasn't been ceramic coated yet. That's the last thing that needs to be done. But the interior fabric and leathers have been coated, as well as the fabric top. So if you want to come with me, let's have a quick look at why we coat fabrics. All right, look out. That lovely beading effect that we get from coating fabrics. Why do we do that? Because it prevents things from staining the surface and foreign liquids absorbing into the material. And just like that, it's almost dry. Oh, there's that clap. I haven't done that for a while. Okie dokie. Alrighty, so we're facing this direction. You've probably already seen there is a collection of Porsches behind me. I'll move back here so you can take a good look. We have a lot of Porsches in at the moment. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got five Porsches. All, oh no, not all different. 2, 3 RSs. So we've got almost, we've got, oh fuck, just cut that somewhere. I'll do that again. So we've got quite a collection of Porsches in, 5 to be specific, that you can see surrounding me at the moment, starting with the Spyder RS. The next one we have is this beautiful silver GT3 RS. Of course, you knew it was going to be in for paint protection film. Full gloss package for this one. It also has the Wildtrak pack, similar to the Spyder RS and actually the other 2 RS model cars here as well. For those of you that don't know, Wildtrak is actually a place in Germany. That is where Porsche's research facilities are located. Interesting. So here's something for you to think about. Cars were manufactured here locally, let's just say Archerfield for argument's sake, or sorry, not if they were manufactured, if they were researched and developed here. In Australia, we'd be calling it the Archerfield pack, or, you know, insert your suburb of choice, the Browns Plains pack. Would that be cool to have in your car? I don't know, you tell us. Anyway, and right next to this GT3 RS is of course the Viper Green GT3 RS. This is such a cool color. Nothing against the silver, but I like bright colors, what can I say? My car was wrapped gold. So, bright Viper Green GT3 RS. This one we actually finished up, I want to say a month ago, maybe more. All the days are blending in at the moment. We did this one a little while ago. It's just come back for a quick checkup. Looking really good. The owner's been driving it for a little while, putting some kilometers on it. So yeah, everything looks great. It's nice to have it back in the shop for a little bit. Now to the 4RS in front of me. I feel like I'm chopping and changing directions. Probably making this real difficult for Henry over here. We've got this beautiful silver GT4RS in. This one is getting a stealth conversion, but all of the gloss carbon is going to remain in gloss film and all the silver surfaces are going to get converted to a satin finish. So this one is going to be one to keep an eye out for, something a bit unique and exciting. We're also putting yellow GT4RS stickers on the doors and rear bumper, and also the wing ends, which if you stroll this way with me, you can see here. So yellow accents all over the place. It's going to be a nice combination. This one also, as per the 3RSs, has the WiSAC pack. So in the case of the 4RS, it gets the carbon bonnet, mirrors, side intake vents, and the wing blade as well. Very nice spec indeed. To my right, we have a GTS, 911 GTS. Again, this is a brand new one. Just came in last night, I believe. Again, another one in for the works. I feel like that should just be the standard thing you expect me to tell you. This one's getting everything. Paint protection film first, full car, ceramic coating, window tint, and interior coating. Keep walking, we're nearly finished the tour for today. We've got this one here, brand new Audi Q3. This one has come in for a couple of different services, not the full body PPF package this time. So for those that do want paint protection film but aren't necessarily wanting to commit to doing the full body, we have a couple of different packages. This particular vehicle has got what we would call our essentials package. Our essentials package includes the full bonnet, the full bumper, and the headlights. So your most damage prone areas on the front of the vehicle. They've also optioned to have film put in the door cups. I'm sure you've all seen cars with those ugly fingernail scratches in behind the door handles. Looks terrible. That film is going to stop that from happening. So we've done the door cups, and we've also done a luggage strip, which effectively sits right here to stop you scuffing up the top of the rear bumper when you're loading groceries, bags, whatever else. I don't know, some people have dogs that jump in the boot. That's going to help prevent scratches there. So it's got that film. It's also been ceramic coated, so a single stage paint correction over the remainder of the vehicle, and then coating applied over the film and the remaining body. So it's going to be nice and easy to wash. It also has window tint. Of course, every new car needs window tint. We're in Queensland. You'd be crazy to not have tint on your car. So this has our top of the range XR Plus tint, super high heat rejection film on there. Moving down, last couple of cars, we have Ranger Wildtrak. This one in just for coating and coating and window tint. So it's had single stage paint correction, ceramic coating, making that paintwork nice and easy to clean, and of course some nice dark window tint. Finally, the Defender 130 you'd have seen in our last video. Yeah, it would have been in the last video. Stealth conversion is complete. It is now just getting ceramic coating applied. So all of the panels that were metallic black have had our satin PPF applied, our stealth film, and all the gloss black trims have gloss film. Ceramic coating as well, window tint, and interior coating. And she's just about done, ready to go back to the owner. Oh, there is one more car. It's actually outside. If you want to come for a quick walk with me. Last one, this beautiful X7. So this one, again, another works package. It is in for everything. Full body, paint protection film, ceramic coating, window tint, interior coating. I'm gonna try and rattle those off real quick because you're probably sick of hearing me say it. Just trying to think if I should just wrap it up there, or how can I make this interesting? See you guys, I'm out of here. Hop in the Porsche. Yeah. All right guys, well look, that about rounds out our shop tour for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you made it to the end. If you did, please do like and subscribe and share this with all your friends if you'd like to see more of this content. Let us know what else you'd like to see. Do you want to see some cold starts? Do you want to see some reviews on some of the more unique vehicles that we're having in? Let us know in the comments. Always appreciate your feedback. Otherwise, see you on the next one.